we're doing our short vlog. It's kind of echoey. Obviously, we made it home. Day 6, Atlanta to Orlando. If you're paying attention to my social media, we were out running another tornado again. Literally, like, the tornado was south of us and we were coming up, and then it moved east, so we just missed that. We're tired, very tired, very hungry, but we're home. So this is the kitchen, big old honking kitchen. We actually have a pantry this time. We have ceiling fans, hardwood floors throughout. We got, look at this. We've got a screened-in patio. It's a lot bigger than the patio we had in Oregon. This is where Miso can come out and she can relax. She's super happy. We've got air conditioning. Let me show you real quick. Downstairs, actually. So where Miso's going. Down there is the front door, as well as our 2-car garage, which is right below us. And then we're gonna go up to the 3rd floor.
Guys, come on.
Let's go up to the 3rd floor.
You mean seconds of children?
Well, yeah. So,
Okay, so this is my bathroom.
This is the kids' bathroom. Basic stuff. I'm just doing this real quick. Here's the washer and dryer. Slightly newer washer and dryer.
This is Mommy and Daddy's bedroom.
Let's go into your room. So let's get the kids' room. Wait, I gotta turn the, there we go. All right, so kids' room is in here. We gotta get them their own lamp. Look at this, they have walk-in closets out here. But their room, so here's the back wall. You guys are up against the back wall. I wish I could put this in perspective for you. This room is a lot bigger. This is probably like 2 times the size, 2 times bigger than their room in Oregon. So they're gonna have plenty of room, these 2 boys, with their bunk bed and their desks and all their toys, plus having that walk-in closet. Oh my gosh. And then, so let's come in here. There's no light here because we need to put lamps in here. So I'm gonna turn, there we go. So here's our room. We've got built-in shelving, vaulted ceilings. Can you see that? Ceiling fan there. Look at this. This is so much bigger than our room in Oregon. Okay, we're talking from 821 square feet to 1,300 square feet. That's the difference. So then we got our bathroom here, and then it leads into our walk-in closet. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, I just looked at the tub. It's that tub. All right. All right, let me turn off some of the lights because we're gonna check into the hotel tonight. So let's unload. Look at her. She's running around. What do you think, pretty? This is fun. She's so happy. Yeah. Don't jump on me. All right. So, yes. Short vlog. This is like less than 5 minutes. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And a double thumbs up.
Yeah. And ring that bell. And no TikToks, but tweets.
No TikToks, but tweets this time around. Social media links are down below. You're going to see it also popping up on the screen here. Thank you so much for watching. I will post those long vlogs as soon as I can. I do have a lot of things to deal with work. What is that noise? Is that the air conditioning? We are not used to hearing air conditioning. Like and subscribe to the show. Chef's gonna put our plants out. We even brought our plants in the car. I've got stuff to deal with work. Thank you for watching once again. See you later.